Good morning, grade 3. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to take a new lesson. It's lesson 13.2. Equivalent fraction by using the number line. You can find it page 679. So let's start by explaining the meaning of equivalent fraction by using the number line. We have a number line here. We can draw a number line and represent 6 over 8 by this number line. So we draw the number line. Okay, then we divide this number line starting from 0 to 1 as usual, and we divide it to 8. As I told you, we start from the middle, then from this side and from this side, then we divide it to 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, so let's now write the fractions 6 over 8, and we have to live. Each fraction is starting from 0 over 8 and 1 over 8, 2 over 8, and 3 over 8, 4 over 8, and 5 over 8, and 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and the last one, 8 over 8. Now we need to find 6 over 8. Where is it? Exactly in this side. Okay, so 6 over 8, we took 6 pieces out of 8 pieces. But what if we can just represent a different fraction in the same place? What if we just took each 2 pieces together? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we have a fraction out of 4. So let's draw a number line by the new parts with the 4 parts, starting also from 0 to 1. Okay, so the first part here, the 1, and 2, 3, and the 4 parts. So we have how many pieces? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So the first one, which fraction? 0 out of 4, 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4, and 4 out of 4. So what do you notice? The same distance from 0 to 6 out of 8 equal the same distance from 0 to 3 out of 4. What does it mean? It means 3 out of 6 equivalent to 3 out of 4. So they are equal. So the fraction 6 out of 8 equivalent to 3 out of 4. So 3 out of 6 is equivalent to another fraction? Yeah, of course. So let's write 6 out of 8 again, and we will draw the same number line again with 8 pieces. Let's draw it together. Of course, from 0 to 1. Okay. Now we have 8 pieces. So what if we divide each piece to half? In the first example, we took each 2 together, but what if we divide it by 2? Each piece we divided by 2 like that. We come from after 0, we divide it by 2 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many pieces do we have? How many pieces? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now it's the fraction supposed to be out of 16. So 6 out of 8 equivalent to what? Let's write the fraction for each one. 0 out of 16, 1 out of 16, 2 out of 16, 3 out of 16, 4 out of 16, 5 out of 16, 6 out of 16, 7 out of 16, 8 out of 16, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 out of 16. Now, 6 out of 8 equivalent to 12 out of 16. Now we have two fractions are equivalent to 6 out of 8. So 6 out of 8 equals to the first shape in red 3 out of 4, and the second one 6 out, that's equivalent to 6 out of 8 is 12 out of 16. So that's the meaning of equivalent fraction. Okay, so let's start to share something else. Okay, new share. So here, the book page 679. The top number line shows a point at 1/4. We need to write a fraction for each of the points labeled A and B and C and D, and F, of course. Which of these fractions show the same distance from 0 to 1/4? Let's see. Okay, these are the shapes that we have. We have here 1/4. So here 2/4. Excellent. 2/4. Okay. Now 3/4 and 4/4. So A equals 2/4. Let's choose this one. How many pieces do we have? We have 1, 2, and 3. So this one, 1/3. So this one, 2/3. This one, of course, yes, 1/2. This one, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one, 2/8. And this one, 3/8. So this one, 4/8. The last one, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. So this one, 4/6. Now, which of these fractions is equivalent to the same part or the same distance as 1/4? Let's see. Let's go down like that. Yes, exactly. So 1/4 equivalent to, excellent, 2/8. Okay, next. In this question, here's 1/6, 2/6. So this one, of course, 3/6. We need another fraction equivalent to 3/6. Who can tell me? Okay. What if we divide each one to 2 pieces? Like that. Like that. Like that. So 3/6. Now it's out of what? It's out of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 12. So 6 out of 12. What does it mean? It means 3/6 equivalent to 6/12. Okay? The next question we have here, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. So here is 6/8. Here, look at the green. I'm not sure that if you can see it or not, but we have here green spaces between each two together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be out of 4. So the first one, 1/4. The second one, 2/4. The third one, 3/4. This is 8, guys. Be careful. Okay. So here, 6/8 equivalent to what? 3/4. Okay. Do you understand it? Next. In this question, 1/8. So here, of course, 2/8. Here, he also took each two together. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So this one, yes, 1/4. So here, sorry. So here, 2/8 equivalent to 1/4. Okay. The next question, question number 6. We have here 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. So this one, yes, 4/6. He also took H2 together. So 1 out of 3. Huh? This one? 2 out of 3. Excellent. 2 out of 3. So 1 out of 3. Sorry. 4 out of 6. Equivalent to? Huh? Equivalent to what? 2 out of 3. Like that. Question number 7. We have here 8 pieces. 1 out of 8, 2 out of 8, 3 out of 8. So here 4 out of 8. Now H2 pieces together. So we divide it to 4 pieces like that. So this 1 out of 4. So this one, yes. 2 out of 4. So this one here, 4 out of 8, equivalent to 4 out of 8 is equivalent to 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. The last question in this one, we have here 6 pieces. 6 pieces. 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, 4 out of 6, 5 out of 6. So here's we have 2 options. We have to write 6 out of 6 or 1 because they are the same. Here he divided to 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. So this one equivalent to 1 over 6. And this one 2 over 3. 1 out of 3. So this one 2 out of 3. So this one 3 out of 3. And of course we know if the numerator equals the denominator, like 6 over 6, of course, equals 3 out of 3. Okay? You understand it? You will find the homework as an online assignment at person account. I'll just log in your account and you'll find the homework. Please solve it and just send it to me again to check and give you feedback about it. I hope you enjoyed that lesson and see you next time and have a nice day. Goodbye.